You know how financial planning often feels complex, overwhelming, and like it's reserved for the old and wealthy? Well, financial planning for young adults is here to bust that myth. I'm excited to tell you all about financial planning for young adults, what the show is, and what it's all about in 2026. And at the end of this trailer, I'm going to share 3 ways that I'm different from your parents' financial advisor. So make sure you stick around because you're going to love them. My name is Skylar Fleming. I'm the creator of Financial Planning for Young Adults. I'm a future CFP and a financial planner, and I started the show because I've lived the advice that I'm giving and I've seen it help me more than I can imagine because our situation is so unique with student loans, inflation, conflicting priorities, conflicting advice, and much more. We have such a great opportunity to get started and get on track with our money now to build the life that we want to live. So I'm going to make financial planning accessible and understandable to you and our entire generation. This show is going to help you with so many things, like setting up a realistic financial plan that's actually going to work, understanding your goals and your values, and using money as a tool to accomplish those goals and values and live the life that you want to live. Financial Planning for Young Adults is a weekly podcast that's here to help you with your money, from debt to investing and all the way through retirement. Who is this show for? Well, it's for young adults who are working hard to set themselves up for the life that they want to live. Young adults who are tired of the status quo and they want to live the life of their dreams and use money to do it and avoid the financial turmoil that they've seen so many others go through. So if this resonates with you, please be sure to subscribe because we're going to have a whole lot of fun here and learn a lot along the way. Who is this show not for? It's not for those old folks who don't understand our financial situation or how things are different now, or if you don't care about your finances. But if you're listening to this show, it's likely that you care about your finances, and I'm excited to teach you more because I've been told by mentors, clients, and peers that I really get at the heart of what money is all about. I'm able to simplify complex financial topics so that they're understandable, and I'm able to help people without them feeling like I'm judging them. And I'm excited to bring all of that to you through financial planning for young adults. And we're almost at the end here, and remember, I'm going to share 3 ways that I'm different from your parents' financial advisor. But first, a reminder to subscribe to the podcast and be sure to tune in every week for practical financial planning advice that you can actually use. And now for those 3 tips that I promised. The first one is that our financial situation is different, and I understand that. I know what it's like to deal with today's economy and all the different things that we have to juggle with our money. And 2, I'm going to teach you how to manage your own investments. Instead of having to give up custody to a financial advisor, you're going to be able to manage it on your own. And 3, I'm going to simplify financial planning so that you know exactly what is going on with your money. So thank you for checking out Financial Planning for Young Adults. Be sure to subscribe and I'll talk to you in the next episode.